Welcome back to the Bay Grab Bar podcast. Today, we are so fortunate to have one of my favorite physical therapists with us, Marcy Silverberg.
Because I work with women, I see a lot of women during pregnancy and after they have the baby. And I'm also trained as an ergonomist, so I work with them a lot on how they're moving their bodies. So I'll go into their homes and look at how they do their work. So the work of a mother is taking care of her baby. So I'll look at what position she's in when she nurses the baby, which causes a lot of women neck pain or back or shoulder pain because they're in these awkward positions, right? I'll look at, a lot of times I'll look at how they sleep because they'll wake up with pain or they're handling the baby awkwardly in the middle of the night. They're kind of trying not to wake themselves up, but doing detriment to their bodies by the way they're handling the baby around nursing and how they pick up the strollers and the car seats and all that stuff. So I do kind of home assessments for moms.